So for this project, I started with a 10 by 6 inch plaque that I had of my daughters. My daughter was on a competitive dance team and she had, oh, I don't know, 50 of these things, and I was going to toss them all out, and then I says we got to be able to reuse them for something. So my husband sanded the front off of it and then painted it, and I was able to reuse them. I'm sure most everyone has a bunch of these from their kids' baseball and soccer and all their different sports things. They get one of these plaques at the end of the year. The resin I'm using for this project is art resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio resin that you mix slowly for 3 minutes in a cup to help prevent bubbles, scraping the sides and the bottom to ensure thorough mixing. I did mix it up off camera and then poured it onto the canvas, a small amount, and then rubbed it in. Now, I started doing this when I started using beads because you have to put the beads on after the resin's on or they will just roll right off the canvas. I had these blue beads that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby that I thought were just so pretty, and I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but I thought, oh, what the heck, I'll go ahead and make another Christmas tree. And so anyway, for the trunk, I actually ended up using some of the silver beads. And for the top, I had an old angel brooch that I had taken the back off, and I used that for a tree topper. So a lot of times when I'm working with resin, I use a toothpick to move stuff around because, as you can see, the beads are kind of sticking to my gloves. So after I got it kind of somewhat shaped, I did pour a little bit more resin over it to hold the whole thing together and to be able to shape it a little bit better. Now you can see I put way too much resin on it. It shouldn't be leaking out from underneath, but then if it does, just kind of smooth it out around on the canvas. I kind of tip it from side to side to let the resin run out, and then I smooth it around on the canvas. And of course I use the little kitchen torch to get the bubbles out. And after a few minutes I decide that it just needs something else. So then I come back with my iridescent glitter, the white iridescent glitter that is so pretty, and I just put it all over the canvas. I was kind of using that paper as a guide, hoping it wouldn't go on top of the Christmas tree, and it did help somewhat. But anyway, I just think it made it so much prettier to have the iridescent glitter on it. Hey everyone, another Christmas tree. Are you tired of them yet? I saw these up at Hobby Lobby also. They were so pretty. I almost wasn't going to do anything with them. I don't know if I didn't think they were Christmassy or what, but they sure are pretty. And that iridescent glitter on there, it makes it so pretty. I don't know if you can see how sparkly it is, but it really makes it pretty. And you can see at the bottom, instead of using anything special or jewelry, I just used some beads from here to make the very bottom of it. So anyway, I really enjoyed that one. But I wanted to give you an update on the Rice Krispie tree. If anybody watched, I don't know, I think it was the gold bead video. At the very end, I showed you the beads that I had colored with the iridescent medium, and then I think I put some gold ink in it, and they just looked like Rice Krispies, and I really didn't like it, so I didn't put the video out. So someone said, well, it just needs to be straightened up and add some more color to it. So this is how I changed it. So I'm gonna see if I can put a picture up there of what it looked like before. So I had these other beads, clear beads from Marge again. I don't know if you can see, they were clear until I colored them. They're like the ones with the 3 points on each side. And I did the iridescent medium and did the glitter, and then I put some gold ink. Where did I do with that? Real ink in it, thinking, oh, they'll be so pretty. And they look pretty, but they kind of look like Rice Krispies, I thought. And so I did this tree with it, which I ended up doing a little bit crooked there, but I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. It's just, doesn't it remind you of Rice Krispies, like some kind of cereal or something? Anyway, before. I thought I'm not really sure. I still don't like it, but it does look better than it did when I first showed it to you guys. Anyway, so this is just another cute Christmas tree, and this again is one of those plaques left over from my daughter's dancing days, and I'm sure you guys have a bunch of these sitting around the house from baseball and soccer. You know how they all get the plaques at the end of the season, and you end up with so many you hate to throw them out. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of future videos, go ahead and subscribe. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.